Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Nurse Julie set and dress to impress. First, you're going to head over to the cafeteria and you'll see the symbol here. I just went to the left side of the, I don't know what this is called, an asylum, I don't know. But you're just going to go there to the left side, and I'll also be showing you guys where the keys might be placed at. Oh my gosh, why is she following me? It's annoying. Anyways, I'm just going to go upstairs and the next symbol will be behind the sofa, which is here. Then you're going to want to turn left here and you'll see this bed and you'll see the next symbol in front of room 28. Okay, so the keys could be here in the recreational room, on this like table or on a chair. It should be somewhere here if it is in this room. The other place it could be in is the bathroom. It could be on the sinks, could also be in the stalls. I'm actually not sure about that. She's in here with me. She isn't she? Why did I say is she? But after you found the three symbols, you just need to find the key. That is a hard part, honestly. I think it could also be, oh, okay, it could be on this table. I don't know if it could be in the showers, so it could also be on this table here. It could also be on top of the receptionist table. If you die, you do have to go back and get it, which is pretty annoying. So I'm just going to head downstairs. Again, it could also be on top of the receptionist table. I'm just going to head over back to the base here, because where we're going next is we're going to go to the right side here, and we're just going to go to the right. I'm just going to book it here, and we're just going to open this door, the quarantine sector. Go in and just run. I've already claimed it, so it won't be there, but you're going to go to this room and you're going to go to this room and you'll see it here. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.